Hey, look what we just found. Giant spikes. We're gonna take them home. Yeah. It's coming! Oh my god! I hit him right here, the float! I was like... It's big boy! It's big boy! Yeah! Big boy! Oh my gosh! Yeah! We're all the way down! Oh, look at that! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, look at this!
Hey, look. You see the fire underneath it. Yeah. On the ground, you see the fire.
Is that one? Oh, look at the fire! That's fire! Whoa! Original steam engine. Hey, look, he's driving this one! Oh my gosh, that's so long!
Look, you guys, it's actually two big trains in one. See how there's two big pistons that run four wheels and then four more?
Yeah, and look at all the wheels, but it's combined just to one. Look at all the wheels on the engine. I know!
Look at all the wheels holding up the
I know, 18, 17?
This thing is probably 200 tons of coal in there.
What the heck? Look at that guy down there! Yeah, he's the driver. Yeah. There's so many.
They got another engine back there in case this old one breaks down. It could push him along. It could keep it.
The water.
I think he's actually getting ready to go.
Except why is everybody in front of him? Hey, look at it. No, I don't want him to hop. Come on, let's go. Oh, and the smell! Look at those wheels!
You guys stand right here. I'm going to take the picture.
This thing is ginormous! There's three! Whoa! Look at that, that's all water! Yeah. This is so cool! It's really gonna come out that crazy. Oh my gosh, you can like feel the heat! Yeah! Yeah! That is a big one! Yeah! Excuse me, guys. Yeah, you can Oh my God, he's not. Oh! Whoa! Look at all that water. Yeah. Oh my gosh, that smells. It smells like fish. Yeah, it smells disgusting. Look at the dog. Oh look, they're getting back in. They're gonna honk it. Oh no.
I feel bad for the little babies that don't know how to clog their ears. They're just sitting there getting blasted away.
So there it is, big boy.